hallo und herzlich willkommen hier bei der Aktienlust. Heute habe ich einen ganz besonderen Gast hier bei mir auf der roten Couch, nämlich Yoni Assia, der Gründer, Visionär und CEO von Itoro. Herzlich willkommen. Hello.
Hello.
Mr. Assia, do you feel well here under Bull and Bear in front of the Frankfurt Stock Exchange?
I always feel inspired near the bulls in stock exchanges. It's been for me always an inspiration since I was a kid.
Okay.
And it's very interesting also to see here the bear. You usually only see the bull.
Yeah. 2006, it was the year you founded Itoro. It must have been a very excited one for you. Too much or too little coffee? Definitely you came up with the right vision and idea. How did it happen?
Well, I've been a trader and a computer programmer since I was very young, since I was about 13. Always excited about the markets. I started and co-founded eToro with my big brother, Ronen, who comes from industrial design. And when he used to see what I do, he always told me that I have an accountant hobby, always with charts and a lot of numbers and Excels. And the vision of eToro came together. How do we open the global markets for everyone to trade and invest in a simple and transparent way? So how do we build a user experience that lets more people enter the markets?
Interesting. So it seems you have also revolutionized the banking landscape a bit. Was that part of the plan?
This was definitely part of the plan because I think traditionally banks don't create the feeling of openness and enjoyment around the markets. Most people feel a bit intimidated or even bored by traditional financial services. We wanted to bring the 2.0 technology era into investing and create for people a user experience which is much more engaging. That's how we believe all financial services will eventually be developed.
So do you also notice that Itoro has inspired and convinced new customers that normally are not really interested in the financial market?
Well, definitely, we have seen a huge rise globally in the interest of people in the stock markets and in the markets in general. But for most people, it's still a very difficult process to go and actually set up an account. The user experience is quite bad in most places. So by creating a very good user experience, we've been able to create the markets a much more accessible for more people. And we see a lot of users in eToro who tell us that this is the first time they have ever traded the global markets.
Over 6 million registered trader, that's already a big figure. Is there still space for more, and what number would exceed your wildest imagination?
I think the space is really limitless. If you think about eToro, we work today in 100 countries. We serve people from 5 different continents, and the size of the markets is in the hundreds of millions of people who are interested in the markets, who have some small available money, but haven't been engaging in the markets. I would say, obviously, reaching 1 billion users would definitely be my wildest imagination.
Okay, let's go straight to your platform and trades. What do you offer with eToro that other online financial services providers do not have?
Well, eToro today is the world's largest social trading network. And the unique part of the social network is we are a social network for people who trade and invest in the global markets. And all of the people in eToro can share their portfolios in real time. They can trade stocks, commodities, indices, currencies, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But everybody can see the portfolios of everybody in the network, can follow them, talk to them, and get updated about the markets from them, and automatically copy the top traders in the network, which is a very unique money management 2.0 service. So instead of going to a portfolio manager one-on-one and need to have $100,000, in eToro you can open an account and with $1,000 copy several top traders and have a global diversified portfolio managed by other people from all around the world.
Interesting. A big focus at the moment are cryptocurrencies. How big is this market and what does eToro offering here?
So eToro has been engaged in the cryptocurrency market since 2010. I'm a big fan and follower of what's happening in the cryptocurrency market. Everything has changed through the technology called the blockchain. The blockchain is a revolutionary technology that enables basically every person to be their own bank through this technology. And the technology basically created all of these new cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, etc. We have seen a huge rise in value to $100 billion this year. We believe that over the next 2-3 years, the value could rise to $1 trillion and would still be a small part of the global economy. People in eToro can find the simplest and easiest way to invest into this new asset class of cryptocurrencies, investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Through our crypto fund, you can simply invest in the top 6 cryptocurrency in the world with one click and let us manage it for you. And we believe this is a huge global opportunity that will change the landscape of technology in financial services.
What do you think? How long will the traditional stock market, as we know it today, still exist?
So I think that the stock markets will always exist. I'm a big fan, obviously, of the stock markets and capital markets. The blockchain technology will definitely disrupt the core of how exchanges work. Today, they're still very local in essence, exchanges. They will become global and will work on blockchain assets. I think that a lot of the smart exchanges like the London Stock Exchange will learn how to adapt into this new blockchain technology, and we'll see a combination of both these new blockchain crypto exchanges and the traditional exchanges that understand and adapt fast into this new technology.
Okay. You are currently in Frankfurt, but certainly not as a tourist. What's on your agenda? Why are you here?
Well, I'm always happy to come to Germany to promote eToro and our business. We are very excited to be partnering with Knauf and Börsenspiegel here in Germany. And we're here to meet them, to share our experience together and to build the eToro brand in Germany.
Yeah, why Knauf? What are your plans?
So in eToro, we've always had Germany as one of our largest markets, and we have a lot of mixed fans in eToro.
Okay.
So I've always heard about the name, and I know that they've always looked at the videos. So when the opportunity came to partner together, we said this is a great opportunity to take basically two similar identities of people who are super excited about the markets, the local stock markets and the global stock markets in eToro. And we believe that Mick could be a great presenter of eToro, our brand and our values here in Germany.
Yeah, I think so too. So will you now be focused on the German market more? What are your targets for this year, 2017?
So in 2017, we will grow more than 100% from 2016. So we're seeing ambitious growth plans for the region. And we're very excited to always keep investing in our consumers here to bring more stocks in the markets, more cryptocurrencies, more instruments, and have a bigger audience and a bigger brand.
Yeah, that sounds very interesting. Mr. Assia, I wish you a lot of success with the cooperation with Knauf. Anything you want to tell our users?
We'll be very excited to see all of you on our platform. You're more than welcome to follow my profile and very soon Mick's profile on the eToro platform and enjoy trading the global stock markets and copying top traders from all over the world.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.